Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, we are asked to determine the minimum angular speed of the rotating mirror in which the image is formed at the position where the non-rotating mirror forms an image. In Michelson experiment, we are given the distance the light traveled between the two reflections from rotating mirror. This has a value of 4.8 kilometers. In Michelson's experiment, we can determine the value of speed of light using this formula. Isolating omega, or the angular speed of the left side equation, the equation becomes omega is equal to 2 pi c over dn. Note that it was stated in the problem that the shape of the rotating mirror is octagon. Then, n is equals to 8. Inserting the given values we have into the equation for angular speed, then omega is equals to 2 pi multiplied by the speed of light, where the speed of light is 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second over the distance, the number of the sides of the shape of the mirror, and in this quantity, for the angular speed, it was first expressed as rad per second. Let us convert it into revolution per second. So we just have to divide this quantity to pi rad. Solving this equation, then the minimum angular speed is 7.8 times 10 raised to 3 revolution per second.